Hey there, awesome people of the internet. Are you looking to amplify your impact in the bustling world of social media? You're not alone. Every day, countless social media consultants, record labels, and social media managers just like you are searching for that game-changing strategy. Well, guess what? You've hit the jackpot. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of child panels, exclusively on MoreThanPanel. Our mission? To guide you through maximizing your business with these amazing tools. So, let's get your social media journey turbocharged with child panels. Are you ready? Let's roll. What exactly are child panels? Think of them as your secret weapon in the SMM world. These panels are a special feature provided by MoreThanPanel, designed to empower you in reselling social media services. Now, you might be wondering, how are they different from traditional panels? Great question. Child panels operate under the wing of a main or mother panel. The cool part? They let you resell services from this main panel, but at discounted prices. That's right, you get access to lower rates, which means more room for profit when you resell. Plus, we sprinkle in some exclusive seller tips and expert ideas to help you thrive. In a nutshell, child panels are like having your own mini SMM shop backed by the powerhouse resources of MoreThanPanel. So, whether you're looking to expand your existing business or kickstart a new venture, child panels are your go-to tool for taking the lead. Stay tuned to learn how to set up your very own child panel. It's easier than you think. First things first, you'll need your own domain. Consider this the digital address where your child panel will live. Haven't got one yet? No worries. You can easily purchase a domain from any reputable provider. This is your brand's online home. So choose a name that resonates with your business vibe. Once you've got your domain, it's time to order your Resell panel. Just log into MoreThanPanel and you'll spot the Resell panel section on the left. That's your gateway. Click on it and you're on your way. Here, you'll enter your newly acquired domain, your desired admin panel credentials, and voila, you're almost there. Hit submit and guess what? Our team at MoreThanPanel swings into action. We'll have your panel set up and running within 48 hours. Lightning speed in the digital world. And be ready for the price now. All features, DDoS protection, website hosting, discounts, starter themes, and more for only $25 per month. With your child panel set up and shining in the digital universe, it's time to talk business. And by business, I mean making money. Let's dive into how you can turn your child panel into a revenue-generating machine. First up, reselling MoreThanPanel services. You've got access to a treasure trove of services from MoreThanPanel at discounted rates. Think Instagram likes, YouTube views, Twitter followers, you name it. Your job? Resell these services to your clients at a markup. The best part? You control the prices. Now, pricing for profit. This is where the magic happens. You want to set prices that are competitive yet profitable. A golden tip? Research your market, understand what your clients are willing to pay, and find that sweet spot where value meets affordability. Remember, it's all about providing solutions that fit your clients' needs while keeping your revenue goals in check. And don't forget, it's not just about selling, it's about adding value. Share insights, offer custom packages, and be the go-to expert your clients rely on. This way, you're not just a vendor, you're a valued partner in their social media journey. So, gear up. Your child panel is not just a tool, it's your gateway to financial success in the dynamic world of social media marketing. All right, you've got your child panel humming and you're ready to make some waves. But wait, you need an audience to make a splash. Let's talk about growing your customer base, the lifeline of your business. First, customer acquisition strategies. It all starts with understanding who your ideal clients are. Are they small businesses, aspiring influencers, local artists? Once you know your audience, tailor your services and communication to their specific needs. Remember, a personalized approach can turn a one-time buyer into a loyal customer. Next up, marketing for success. Utilize every tool in your digital arsenal, social media, email campaigns, SEO, you name it. Create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Share success stories, tips and tricks, content that educates and entertains. The goal? To position your child panel as the go-to solution in your niche. And let's not forget building industry relationships. Network, collaborate, and engage with peers in the SMM space. These connections can lead to referrals, partnerships, and invaluable insights into the market. Remember, growing your customer base isn't just about reaching more people. It's about reaching the right people and building lasting relationships. And just like that, we've reached the end of our journey today. But remember, this is just the beginning of an exciting adventure with your child panel. It's time to take these insights and turn them into action. A quick recap: secure your domain, set up your child panel with MoreThanPanel, create a profitable pricing strategy, and embark on a journey of growth and customer engagement. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and unleash the full potential of your child panel. The digital world is your oyster, and with MoreThanPanel, you've got the tools to find those pearls of success. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and, of course, subscribe for more insightful content. There's a lot more to come and you won't want to miss it. Until next time, keep shining and keep growing.